How to adjust date and time on WhatsApp. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can adjust your date and time in WhatsApp. Now without further ado, let's dive in. Before starting the process, make sure that your WhatsApp app is updated. Now open the settings. Once it's open, click on the search bar and type date and time, and you will see the option named date and time. Simply tap on it and you will be prompted to a page where you can edit your time. Now from this option simply tap on select time zone. Now here you can easily select the time of region that you want. To do that, simply tap on region. Once you have tapped on region, you can simply select the region or you can even search the region that you want. Once you are done selecting the region, then you can simply enable set time zone automatically. After that, close the settings and open WhatsApp. And here you can see WhatsApp is working well. And that's how you adjust the time and date in WhatsApp. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe to get updated for more videos. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next video.